Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the Google account that holds the backup. Make sure two-step verification is available so you can recover access if needed. Once signed in, pause to export any data you might need later. Use Google Takeout for labels, attachments, and settings. Make sure to pick the right account and file type. Then navigate to Data and Privacy. This is where Google lists backups and export history, and you can locate the backup records you want to remove. Next, you scroll to download or delete your data, then choose Delete a Google service or your account to reveal linked backups. Once there, inspect each backup entry, device sync snapshots, drive stored copies, app backups, and any takeout archives, and read the details. This prevents accidental loss. If an entry is from a device, click to unlink. If it is a takeout archive, remove the file from Google Drive and trash. Keep an eye on timestamps so you remove only the intended backups. Finally, you confirm each deletion prompt. Google asks you to verify because this action is often irreversible, and then complete the removal. Once done, empty Google Drive trash to permanently remove takeout archives and revoke any third-party app permissions that recreate backups. Make sure to disable device sync settings so new backups stop. If deletion doesn't appear immediate, retry after clearing your browser cache or sign out and in. If issues persist, wait up to 24 hours for Google systems to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.